question says, solve for x. We've got minus 4, open brackets, 7x plus 8, close bracket, is equal to minus 116. So we begin by writing out the question. We've got minus 4, open bracket, 7x plus 8, close bracket, is equal to minus 116. Okay, we need to open the bracket. We will be using minus 4 to open the bracket. Minus 4 times 7x will give us minus 28. And minus 28 there, 28x. Okay, and then we have a plus there, and we have minus 4 times 8. That gives us minus 32. So we have a minus 32. Now we can see that we have a plus and minus there. The plus is supposed to be there. Now we multiply this by 4 and a minus. So we will end up with a negative, not a positive. So we're going to just rub this one off. And then we're going to move this one forward. And then we're fine. Beautiful. Good. We'll proceed. We have is equal to there. And then we have a minus 116. So what do we do here? We want to group like terms. We need to move this. We'll move this one here. From this side, we're going to move it here. Good. And when it gets there, going over the equal sign, it becomes a positive. Let's do it. So we have what? We have this. 116. And then we have a positive there. 32. And what do we have left? We have x, we have 28 and a negative. Good. And let's tidy up a bit. Okay, so we move that and that. Beautiful. Proceed. We have what? Minus 116 plus 32 will still give us a negative. Negative 84. Beautiful. And then we have a minus 28x. Now we're about to move 28 to the other side, but we have got an issue here. We got our x here, and with the x we got a negative there, and that's not good. We need to remove it. And to remove it, we need to multiply that side, that's the minus 28x, by a negative. Good. And what do we have? We have a negative, and we have 28x. If we multiply by a negative, it should give us a positive, which is 28x, and that's what we want. But if we should do that on this side, we must replicate on the other side of the equal sign. So therefore, let's carry on. So let's multiply both sides by negative in order to remove what? To remove this negative sign. And that is why we multiply both sides by negative. Let's go. So we rub this off and let's do that. So we rewrite this. And then we multiply by negative. Good. And on the other side we got minus 84, and since we've done that to the left hand side, we have to do it to the right hand side, or else the plane is not gonna fly. Good. So let's balance it up. So multiply it by negative. Okay, good. And what do we have? Negative times negative, negative, multiply by negative. It gives us a positive. Two negative signs, one like that, and one from top to bottom. So we're gonna have positive. So we don't have to put a plus. We'll rub it up later. We know it's a positive, so let's just remove it. You don't have to put it. We know it's a positive 28x, so that will give us what? Oh, minus 84 times a negative. That will give us a positive, so that gives us 84. We don't need to put the other side. We know it's there. So we have that. So what is our x? Our x will be, we're going to take the 28 to the other side, and when it gets there, it will divide. Why? Because it's multiplying here. And when you get to the other side, it divides. So let's just rub that off. Okay, rubbing it off. Good, gone. So we move 28 to the other side. It's going to be 84 divided by 28, and that will give us a what? You got a 3. So our ANS is 3. ANS is equal to 3, the positive 3. Now let's tidy up a bit here. Let's rub this one off and off and off, and we bring this to an end. Beautiful.